Wait. I'm just. Ow. So. Mama. I already say 5 minutes. This time, cloud computing. Sir, my leg is very pain. Oh, wait. So, cloud computing, then networking, IP address. Then, Rosa, you don't need to just say words. You just go and say to his father.
Okay.
So, protocols. Protocols means protocols, then packets, then latency and bandwidth, mindset, automation, scripting, digital footprint, and ethics. And now I say all those words meaning, like cloud computing. So what is the means of cloud computing? Cloud computing means online storage. And networking. Networking means connection or the connecting. Then IP address. When we are playing in Minecraft server, that time need to give IP, the information of the server or the address, that called IP. And IP's full form is Internet Protocol. So, address. Why are you speaking in Bangla? An address means information. You go and say his father. And protocols. Go. Protocols means rules and packets. I don't look and I can say look. First, cloud computing. Cloud computing, networking, IP address. IP address, protocols. Protocols, then packets, latency, bandwidth, mindset. Then the bandwidth, mindset, automation, and the scripting, digital footprint, and ethics. Hey, why you say what I say? Say what I say.
I know, sir.
Stop, no one say. Please, request. Say what I say. Say.
I don't listen.
Why you don't listen?
You are saying scripts.
Yeah, I am saying about scripting. Really? No.
Yeah.
What you said?
Scripting.
Yeah. Really?
Oh, I understand.
Say. Why you don't listen? I give you rest for listening goodly, but you don't listen. What's your problem?
Go to take life.
Every day you just coming and procrastinating here, can't giving reading.
Sir,
What is this?
I give up one punishment. You take to him, she and go to life. And say to take this.
No need.
It will be best. No example.
The Rafa Chaudhary is the Pupa standard, and every day Pupa standard come here. This is funny place. You thinking this is funny place? You don't know English. You can't say English. Why you saying the Bangla in this class? In this class, the Bangla is not allowed. But why you saying every day? Tomorrow you can't say, then understand. Today I just consider. Consider. Just giving some rest. No, this is not consider, he said. Just today consider. Yeah, come, the class is finished just.
Not finished now.
So, I am today is ready. My leg is.
You want to say ask?
Hey, you say today. Why? So,
Sit to uncle. I'm stopping the light.
God willing, bye bye. I will be come back again tomorrow.